Hello YouTube, hello you lovely people, welcome back to the channel. I am at Bike and Biker today again for adding up a new accessory on my 390 adventure. Who you might be wondering, अरे भाई इतना बार क्यों जाते हो, एक ही बार सब कुछ करवा लेना ही तो अच्छा है. बट यू नो आई कांट हेल्प इट, जस्ट दैट यू नो मेरा माइंड कुछ चेंज होते रहता है, तो इसके वजह से क्या होता है कि हेलो आई एंड अप कमिंग एवरी टाइम. ऊपर से मतलब एक ऐसा भी चीज़ सोचो कि वीकेंड पे भी घर पे क्या कर रहे हैं ज़्यादा रह के, तो सोचो एक ऐसा आउटिंग हो जाता है हमारे लिए, तो यहाँ पे आते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है. वी डू इज यू नो वी गो इनसाइड, यू नो विल गेट द Barkbusters Knuckle guards installed on my 390 adventure and we will see you know the installation bit of it. मैं installation नहीं करूँगा, I'll just give it to the gear motorcycle which is below as always. वहाँ पर भी फिर से जाना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को, so that's what we will do. और वहाँ पे installation वगैरह आपको दिखाएंगे कैसा होता है, and उसके बाद आपको दिखाएंगे कि गाड़ी पे अपना Barkbusters कैसा दिखता है in the end. बड़ा राइड आने वाला है तो इसके लिए ही सारा ये इंतज़ाम हो रहा है, ठीक है. और कहाँ जा रहे हैं क्या है आप सोच रहे हो तो कहीं कुछ ना बहुत जल्दी बता देंगे. और एक महीना है अभी से, और एक महीना है एंड तब तक आपको पता चले जाएगा. अगर आपने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, सब्सक्राइब करके शेयर करना, कंटेंट को शेयर करना, लाइक करना, ठीक है, सो दैट आपको पता चलेगा कि आपका भाई कर रहा है, क्या रहा है, कहाँ जा रहा है, क्या क्या हो रहा है. ठीक, दैट्स द पैकेज व्हाट यू गेट हियर. सो दीज आर द नकल गार्ड्स. So yeah, these are the knuckle guards, and this also you get the additional thing which you need to the mounts and all. So as you can see, these are the two things, and that's where our bike is. That's where our bike is. So we're going to go to gear motorcycle there, which is this side. So we're going to give our bike there and get the handlebars, knuckle guards installed on the motorcycle. Okay, so this is what we get in the package. The aluminium stand actually, and you have some stuff here. This is what we have. So there is an extender also actually, which will be kind of 1 inch 48 tall. The bike there. Like this. I'll just take one picture. The Barkbusters on. Look at the camera. So that's where. That's the final look of the bike. It's kind of very sturdy. You see? Very good build. I mean, this has. तो ये भाई साहब हमको यहाँ पे मिले हैं, and as I was vlogging, so he was really keen. He was asking about my bike, etc., etc. Very unfortunate that he's not able to speak. कोई बात नहीं. There is life beyond that, so let him be happy by doing those things. He was so keen and he's saying that भाई बहुत बड़ा दिख रहा है, ऐसा मतलब by his gestures, what I mean. Okay, so we are done here at Bike and Biker. I've done the payment as well. अरे तो भाई साहब पीछे खड़ा है. कोई बात नहीं. You have a good smile on your face always. Thank you so much. Okay guys, अभी हम लोग वापस घर आ गए हैं. I know we had actually plans to go to Adishwar and the Orient Motors, but since it was raining so heavily after we installed the knuckle guards, we had to stay back in the Bike and Biker. So far I think the entire work for the bike which is supposed to be done as part of this big ride which is coming up is completed now. Okay, so I don't think so there are any other modifications or anything which needs to be done. Okay, so I'm just recording this just a couple of days later, so I just also tell you that the stickering bit which is supposed to be done on the bike is also completed. I got it done from the JC road. उसके ऊपर मैं एक अलग से वीडियो बनाऊंगा when I speak about the entire प्लान फॉर दिस राइड एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा, उसमें मैं वो डिटेल्स शेयर करूंगा आपसे. बाइक के लिए जो थोड़ा बहुत काम है वो है इज़ लाइक चेन स्प्रॉकेट चेंज करना पड़ेगा, ब्रेक पैड चेंज करना पड़ेगा. सो आई विल गिव इट टू द सर्विस सेंटर इन अ डे और टू. आई विल गेट दैट बाइक रेडी, विच मीन्स वी आर ऑल सेट. So other than that, nothing else which I would like to share it in this video. This is not just like a DIY video or anything. It's just that I'm putting on all these videos just to share it with you guys, at what actually I'm doing with my bike, what are the different things what I'm getting it on my bike, what is the reason behind it, because I do a lot of long touring. So keeping that in mind, I add all these accessories which I believe that in a practical world they are very much needed for my bike, and which makes my life easier on the highways when I'm touring a long distance, covering a long distance every day. But that's the whole purpose of bringing up these videos to you guys. It's not like any rocket science which you need to learn from these videos. Okay, and thanks to each one of you that you're giving a good response to these videos, and a lot of queries and comments I get on Instagram and also as well as on the videos. So it actually encourages me to really come up with such videos. Okay, so next up is the modifications what I have done on my 390 Adventure. That video is going to come up soon. So if in case you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would request you to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. So keep sharing so that my content reaches out to more people out there and my efforts gets appreciated, because I put a lot of efforts in making these videos. So I request you, if in case you like my content, please keep sharing with your friends. So I will end this video. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section, and as always, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that you will be the first to know when the new video comes in. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. Live life, keep traveling, follow your passions. Signing off, Raj. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Jai Hind.